Early morning, no classes. Kodishwaran, I've already shared entire notes, no? Raja? In that only it will be there, no issues. Okay? Yes. Yes, yes. Good, 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 good. Super, super, super. I've shared in QTalk also. I've shared in class also. In class itself, I've shared the notes link. Not in QTalk also. Then later I've shared in QTalk. Yes, if anyone is not in QTalk, just call to the counselors, tell the batch code, they'll add you to the group. Okay? I was on QTalk. So if anything is there, you can just let me know. I hope I've replied for some fellows also. No issue. Same notes. If you received in class, that is then that is enough. Guys, notes which I've sent, you should keep safe. It's not like every class I'll be sending the same thing. Every class you have to be doing. No, it's not good. No. If anyone is not in Q talk, so just call to the counselors. They'll add you to the group. So okay, I'll share the notes once again. So what is the last module we have discussed? What is the last module we have done? Yes. Codes completed. So we are done with codes. So what is the next module? What is the next workflow? Yes. What is the next workflow? What is the next workflow? Yes. Invoicer, directly invoicer. Workflow, check the workflow which I've given. Check the notes. I've shared the notes once again. Just take Kodishwaran and one more fellow also ask for notes. Yes, purchase order. So we are going to see what? Purchase order. Yes. So purchase order is generated to whom? Purchase order is generated to whom? Customer or company? Purchase order is generated to whom? Manufacturing unit, correct? It is generated to manufacturing unit. So it's yes, yes, fantastic. So let me share my screen. Yes, screen is visible completely. Yes. So very less people are there today. They thought today was holiday. Okay, we'll continue. I've already told. Yes. So I'll just log into this particular CRM. Everyone remember thrill quotation or else forgot? Everyone remember? Yes. So now I want to generate a purchase order. I want to generate a purchase order. So now I'll be clicking on purchase order major tab. I'll be clicking on purchase order major tab. When I click on purchase order major tab, which page will be displayed? Which page is displayed? Purchase order list page. Purchase order list page will be displayed. Now I have to click on new purchase order button. I have to click on what? New purchase order button. So when I click on new purchase order button, which page will be displayed? Which page will be displayed? I want reply from everyone. Yes. Purchase order. Yes. Create purchase order page will be displayed. Create purchase order page will be displayed. Now, what I have to do? I have to enter all the details. I have to enter all the details. So, what are the details we are entering? So, first I have to enter purchase order number. Purchase order number, P1 number, I'll enter 0101. Next, subject. So what is this subject? I have to enter the subject. So what is the subject? So HP laptop 3040 PO purchase order vendor name. So what is the lookup icon here? What is the lookup icon here? Vendor name lookup icon, correct? Vendor name lookup icon, yes. So now what I'll do, I'll just write the data flow also here parallelly. First is regular data flow, create purchase order to recent items. Second one is purchase order list page. This is regular data flow what we have. And second one is what? Vendor list page to create purchase order page. Yes. Yes or no? So when I click on this, what is this vendor name lookup icon? When I click on this vendor name lookup icon, there is a data flow from vendor list page to create purchase order page. Now I'll select the vendor. I'll select the vendor. Yes. After that, what I need to enter? A requisition number. Requisition number is nothing but understood what is requisition number? So requisition number is nothing but, so it is like waiting list. How many people are waiting for the product? How many people are waiting for the product? I have to mention in this requisition number. Understood everyone? Understood everyone? Yes. Is it clear? What is requisition number? It's like waiting list number. So how many people are waiting for the product? How many people are waiting for the product that I have to mention? That I have to mention. Yes, clear? Yes. So yes, tell me how many people are waiting? 50. Very good, fantastic. Tracking number. What is this tracking number? When you see what happened, uh, when the product is started, see if you see this particular status, so initially it is created, later it will be approved and delivered. So while approved, so I have to what is this, I have to send it through courier, no? I have to send it through courier, yes or no? Through courier will be sending, yes, that tracking number of courier. Understood everyone? So when, yes, tracking information. So when you enter this, sorry, when you start couriering, so it will generate one courier no number, no? So that is a tracking number. Next, contact name. So here we have a lookup icon, contact name lookup icon. When I click on this, what is happening here? There is a data flow from contact list page to create purchase order page. Create purchase order page. Next. So now what I will do, I'll enter this particular PO date, purchase order date. When you are generating 20th, I'm generating. Next, due date. Due date means by when the order should be ready. That means we'll be giving some promise to the customer. No, I'm going to deliver your product on 22nd. That means we need to keep our promise also. So by that time it should be ready. Yes, the product should be delivered within 25th. So within 25th, the product should be delivered. Next, carrier through which you are sending, whether it is FedEx, UPS, USPS, or DHL, Blue Card. So many are there. I'll select it as FedEx. Next, excise duty is nothing but tax. and sales commission is also tax. Next, the status. So what is the status? Whether it is created, it is created, approved, or else it is delivered, it has given to the customer, or else cancelled. So right now, what is the stage? Right now, what is the stage? Created. Yes, fantastic. Next, I need to give the address information wherein I'll be clicking on this. Yes, street is BTR, BLR, Karnataka 560019, India. Yes, copy address. So I want to copy the address from billing to shipping. I can make use of this. Yes, then next we have a product details. So what is the lookup icon? What is the lookup icon? Harsh Yadav, still you are creating now? Yes. Product lookup icon. I'll click on this one. So there is a data flow from product list page. Yes. Next data flow is product list page is to product list page to create purchase order page. Next, price book lookup icon, correct? Price book name, yes. I'll click on this. When I select this one, price book name lookup icon will be displayed. Yes, next one is price book list page to create purchase order page. Create purchase order page. Understood? Now what I will do, I'll give the quantity. What is the quantity here? 50 products. Yes or no? Yes. So now how much it is? The subtotal will be calculated automatically. If you have any terms and conditions or description information about the product, we can mention, or else I can click on save. Everyone understand? Yes. Everyone understood? Yes. So what I'm doing here, I'm entering the subject, purchase order number, vendor name by using a lookup icon, and then requisition number. What is the requisition number? Requisition number is nothing but how many people, or else what is the reorder product or the reorder level of the product I have to mention, and the contact information, tracking number. So PO date, due date, carrier, excise duty, address information I have to enter, and then I have to enter product information, product details. Sir, why not not taken in contact? Khalid, requisition number you are mentioning, no? Shraddha, I didn't get your question, Shraddha. Sir, why add not from contact details? Address is not taken from contact details. Well, that is a flow we can tell. You can decide, Shraddha, whether it is defect or not. Anything is fine. That we will see later. Don't worry. When defect session, okay? Yes. Status for this purchase order. Status is for purchase order. Pavitra products. Okay, status is for purchase order. Whether it is in creation stage, whether it is approved by the manufacturing unit, or else it is cancelled, or else it is delivered. Okay. Yes. So after entering all the details, we need to click on save. So when I click on save, which page will be displayed? Purchase order details page will be displayed. And there is a data flow to recent items as well as product list, sorry, purchase order list page. Sales commission is a commission like they'll be taking, no, as a tax. Yes. So everyone want to know how to create? Yes, you want me to display data flow? I'll display. Yes. So once after it is done, just create it. After creating, so do your regular things like edit, delete, clone, and restore also. Okay, guys, why I'm mentioning these many times? Please do it. It will be helpful for by writing scenarios or test cases. Done. Yes. Start. Yes, once it is done, write edit, delete, restore, and all also, clone also, and write the data flow also. Who is that? Shivani, Shivani. No issues. Just observe. So you need to enter the purchase order number and subject. What is the main motto of this particular thing? Okay. Next, you have to enter the vendor name and then requisition number. Here we have a lookup icon. I'll just edit it. Wait. Yes. So here we have a lookup icon. So we have to enter the details by clicking on this vendor name lookup icon, and requisition number. It's nothing but waiting list. How many products will they have to manufacture, and then tracking number. So once it is get deliver like post, what's this? What we call what is that? Post, not post. Courier, yes. Courier service. Then we need to give the tracking number also, and then yes, shipping, yes, and then due date. So when it is generated, contact name, and then carrier through which you are going to deliver, and then excise duty and sale commission, which is tax, and status, address information, and product information also we need to enter. So here by using lookup icons, I can make use of that. So here we have a data flow also. Okay. Lookup icon. Lookup icon. Yes. Jyoti, no, it's not possible. Jyoti, Bal, one more Jyoti. Yes, look up icon.